Hi, welcome to the Healthy Life channel. Did you know there are daily habits that may seem ordinary but are secretly damaging your body's metabolism? In fact, without you realizing it, these habits could be the main reason why many people end up being diagnosed with diabetes. The truth is, more than 50% of type 2 diabetes cases can actually be prevented simply by identifying and changing certain habits. But the problem is, these habits are often considered normal, and many even think they are part of a healthy lifestyle. Do you want to know if you're unconsciously doing things that could trigger diabetes? Here are the habits you need to stop right now, before it's too late. 1. High sugar and carbohydrate consumption. Foods high in sugar and refined carbohydrates, such as white rice, bread, cakes, or other sweet treats, are one of the main causes of type 2 diabetes. Every time we consume these foods, blood sugar levels spike rapidly. The body responds to this sugar surge by producing insulin, a hormone responsible for moving sugar from the blood into cells to be used as energy. However, if such foods are consumed continuously over the long term, the body's cells begin to lose sensitivity to insulin. This condition is known as insulin resistance, which is the first step toward type 2 diabetes. Additionally, processed foods tend to be low in fiber. Fiber plays a crucial role in slowing the absorption of sugar in the body. When we consume low-fiber foods, blood sugar spikes occur more rapidly, forcing the pancreas to work harder to produce insulin. If the pancreas becomes overworked, insulin production decreases, causing blood sugar levels to remain high. To prevent this, replace white rice with brown rice or whole grains, and add more vegetables to your meals. Fiber from these foods helps control blood sugar levels naturally. 2. Lack of physical activity. A sedentary lifestyle, such as sitting too long at a computer or not exercising, can significantly increase the risk of diabetes. When our body is active, muscles use glucose as an energy source without requiring much insulin. This naturally helps lower blood sugar levels. However, when the body is inactive, glucose isn't used by the muscles and instead builds up in the bloodstream. This condition forces the pancreas to produce more insulin to maintain blood sugar balance. Additionally, a lack of physical activity increases the risk of fat accumulation, especially around the abdomen. This fat, known as visceral fat, is particularly harmful as it produces substances that affect insulin function. If left unchecked, insulin resistance can occur, which is one of the leading causes of type 2 diabetes. Don't let your body remain inactive. Start by walking for 30 minutes daily, choosing stairs instead of elevators, or stretching during work breaks. 3. Consumption of unhealthy fats. Foods that are high in saturated and trans fats, such as fried foods, fast foods, and processed snacks, have a negative impact on metabolic health. Trans and saturated fats tend to accumulate in important organs such as the liver and pancreas. This accumulated fat, especially around the internal organs, is known as visceral fat. Visceral fat not only makes it difficult for organs to work properly, but also produces chemicals that cause chronic inflammation. This inflammation reduces the effectiveness of insulin, which means the body needs more insulin to regulate blood sugar levels. In the long run, the pancreas cannot meet the increased insulin demand, so blood sugar levels remain high. Avoid processed foods and switch to healthy fat sources such as nuts, fatty fish, such as salmon or tuna. Also, try cooking with healthier methods such as boiling, steaming, or grilling. 4. Lack of sleep or poor quality sleep. Sleep deprivation is often underestimated, but it actually has a big impact on diabetes risk. When the body does not get enough sleep, the stress hormone, cortisol, increases. This cortisol triggers the liver to release more sugar into the blood. This is meant to provide extra energy, but if it persists, blood sugar levels remain high. Sleep deprivation also disrupts the hormones that regulate hunger and satiety. As a result, you tend to eat more, especially foods high in carbohydrates or sugar, after a sleep-deprived night. This worsens the risk of insulin resistance. In addition, poor sleep decreases insulin sensitivity, making it difficult for the body to regulate blood sugar despite the pancreas producing sufficient amounts of insulin. To improve sleep quality, avoid caffeine in the afternoon and aim for 7-8 hours of sleep each night. Also, turn off electronic devices before going to bed. A quiet and dark sleeping environment also helps the body rest better. 5. Smoking habit. Smoking is one of the bad habits that is rarely associated with diabetes, but actually has a close relationship. Nicotine in cigarettes causes chronic inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. This oxidative stress damages the cells responsible for the production and use of insulin. In addition, smoking increases the accumulation of fat in the abdomen, known as visceral fat. Visceral fat produces substances that reduce insulin sensitivity, so the body has to produce more insulin to keep blood sugar levels normal. In the long run, the pancreas is no longer able to meet this insulin demand, and diabetes can develop. Quitting smoking is an important step to lowering your risk of diabetes. If you find quitting difficult, consider consulting a doctor for help, such as nicotine replacement therapy or support groups. 6. Chronic stress. Prolonged stress is another factor that can affect blood sugar levels. When the body experiences stress, hormones such as cortisol and adrenaline are released. These hormones trigger the liver to release more sugar into the blood as an additional source of energy. In the short term, this may be beneficial, but if stress persists, blood sugar levels will remain high. In addition, stress can also affect diet. Many people tend to eat sugary or high-calorie foods when stressed, which worsens blood sugar control. Manage stress in healthy ways, such as meditation, yoga, exercise, or doing activities you enjoy. Deep breathing techniques are also effective for directly lowering cortisol levels. 7. Excessive consumption of sugary drinks. Drinks such as sweet tea, coffee with sugar, or sodas can be a major cause of blood sugar spikes if consumed in excess. Sugary drinks contain simple sugars that are quickly absorbed by the body. This causes a sharp spike in blood sugar levels, which forces the pancreas to produce large amounts of insulin to stabilize it. If this happens too often, the body begins to develop insulin resistance. In addition, sugary drinks often provide a lot of calories without providing satiety, thus increasing the risk of weight gain, which is also a risk factor for diabetes. Replace sugary drinks with water, tea without sugar, or infused water. If you want sweetness, use natural sweeteners like stevia in small amounts. So, those are the habits that often seem trivial, but have a big impact on your health, especially your risk of developing diabetes. The thing you need to remember is that health is not about big changes overnight. Health is the result of small habits that you do every day. Start from simple steps, watch what you eat, move more actively, get enough sleep, and manage stress wisely. All these things may feel small, but if done consistently, the impact will be tremendous. Don't wait until your body starts giving you warning signs. Starting today, make better decisions for your future. This video is for educational purposes only. If this video is useful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss other videos.